End of month, step 1, print the inventory. This step is going to be two parts. One is to make sure you have no negative on hands in the liquor inventory and what to do if you do have those. And the second part is to actually print the inventory, get a printout of it. So let's go into the first thing, check for negative on hands. There is a report that comes out with the end of the day that shows your negative on hands. If you have that available, use that to zero them. There is a report through the reports option, which is menu option D3, that prints out negative on hands, and it's the 47 report. These are all numbered. The 47 report, if you double click on it, it'll show you the items that are negative. And what you can do is sort of scoot that over to the side or print it out. And what we need to do is zero those out. The easiest way to make on-hand changes is through the menu option D7. D7 is audit inventory. And what you can do is call up items in this screen and just do them all at once. So the 1402 is showing -1, you zero that out. The 5312 is 0, -12, you zero that out. The 6802 is at 11, and you zero it out. You just put the counts to 0. That will get your inventory square, at least with what you're submitting to OLCC, because it will not submit a negative on hand to the OLCC. So at that point, you can, at the end of that, I kind of skipped over it, at the end of making those changes, you hit the post dispatch button, and it asks you, are you sure? And you answer yes. And so you'll get the physical accounts applied, and I'll just go back into that menu option D3 and print the negative on hands. And if I double click on it now, there's no data to report, so nothing shows up. So that's what you're looking for, is an empty negative on hand report with at least just no liquor with negative on hands. Now the second step is to print the inventory, and that's done through the same menu option. If you come into menu option D3, the default report that's selected is the inventory value. That's the one you want, and the default range of sales departments is from 1 to 1, which is what you want. The only thing that you really should do, that I recommend, you don't have to, but if you click on this checkbox right here, print items with on hands equals 0, if you uncheck that and then you go to print, the report will be shorter. It will not print an item that has a 0 on hand. So you just come in there, you uncheck that. I'm going to jump out of here real quick just to show you how quick it is. So you go into the D3 option, you uncheck this button, and you hit the print. Okay, that'll print out the inventory. Now you can do the next step as it's printing. So we'll do the next step here in the next video.